नमस्कार, आप सबका स्वागत है मस्ती की पाठशाला में। मैं हूं पीडी रामकृष्णा और आप देख रहे शो GKGS 365। आज मैं आपके लिए एक टॉप खबर लेके आया। यस, आप जो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं वो एकदम सच है। ऊपर जो लिखा हुआ है एकदम करेक्ट है। हेल्थ इमरजेंसी और फेक न्यूज़। एक नई हेल्थ इमरजेंसी आई है। पूरा विश्व जो है एक पैंडेमिक से गुजर रहा है और वो है कोरोना वायरस। And the coronavirus, which was started with Chinese veterinary market from Wuhan. Okay, now Chinese officials sounded alert. Okay, that alert is sounded through Chinese embassy, which is situated in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan में जो embassy situated है वहाँ से हुआ है। ठीक है, unknown pneumonia virus outbreak now. The pneumonia type virus is there, but they don't know exactly their version, and which was claiming exactly 1700 lives. Okay, Kazakhstan is outrightly denying and saying that this is a fake news. Let's hope so. आगे देखते हैं ये किस तरीके से काम करता है. Before moving, okay, let's move on. Here it is a news and cutting directly. Nothing going to be a baseless and without evidence in this channel. Okay, I am just producing evidence for every claim. Okay, here it is a news cutting from a Reuter. Okay, senior writer saying that deadly unknown pneumonia outbreak in Kazakhstan is probably undiagnosed COVID-19. Probably undiagnosed, and that was reported by Chinese embassy, which was situated in Kazakhstan's capital city. Okay, the deadly pneumonia, but these cases are likely undiagnosed and COVID-19 infections, according to WHO. Okay, WHO, the finding of WHO is also questionable, which is working on the lines of the Chinese directions. That's why there is a continuously suspicions about what exactly WHO is saying and what exactly the Chinese people are telling. Okay, now coming to one by one, this world is grappling with the various types of diseases. First coronavirus, later on this bubonic plague, then swine flu, now recent this is pneumonia. Okay, Chinese embassy has issued a warning about the deadly unknown pneumonia circulating in Kazakhstan. Okay, circulating Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is a border country with China. Okay, and but the authorities outside of the China says these cases are still likely COVID-19. They are the similar cases like a COVID-19. Okay, now there is a great confusion between whether it is a COVID-19 cases or pneumonia cases or new virus cases. There is no confirmation yet, but the people are saying that this is a new type of pneumonia. Okay, on Thursday, the warning issued on 9 July, official with the embassy in Kazakhstan issued an alert to the resident that our unidentified pneumonia had killed more than 1,700 people in Kazakhstan, including Chinese citizens. Okay, especially Chinese involved there. Okay, somewhere we are finding that something is going on. Why such kind of things are there and what is going on inside China is something very questionable things. Okay, China is engaging themselves, divergent tactics. Okay, man-made floods are there in Wuhan to wash away all the types of evidences before WHO and United Nations team going to be visit there. Now this is a new things. They just spread the new type of virus is also outbreaking. Okay, one side China is fighting with Indian people, other side they are engaged their horns lock with the Southeast Asian countries in South China Sea, one way with Japan, another way with Indonesia, Vietnam. Okay, everywhere, and also the China claiming the lands of another countries such as Bhutan. Even they are claiming the Mount Everest. Okay, such a kind of things they are doing it. This is something we can call it a divergent tactics of Communist Party. What's going on inside China? It is one of the most curious question. Okay, according to the embassy, the rise was concentrated in the region of Atayaru, Aktobe, and Shekment. Okay, outbreak of this pneumonia started with these three special regions. These regions are very much important for your exam point of view. Okay, new pneumonia type. Okay, which together have almost 500 new cases and more than 30 critically ill patients. Okay, as of now 500 new cases are there, 30 critically cases are there. Okay, this is something we can say that may be a probable virus. Okay, but nobody knows exactly what it is. Okay, Kazakhstan denies the Chinese government reported that the country has unknown pneumonia. Okay, Kazakhstan saying that Chinese reports are just defaming Kazakhstan. Okay, Kazakhstan is very much well prepared to deal with any kind of health emergency, and such kind of pneumonia virus news is fake news from Chinese side. Okay, it is exactly this statement coming from the officials of Kazakhstan Health Ministry. Okay, number of the pneumonia cases in the capital city of Kazakhstan, Nursultan. Okay, Nursultan. Okay, no, not Nursultan, Nursultan. Okay. For your exam point of view, the capital city of Kazakhstan, Nursultan, has more than a double this June from the same time last year. Okay, कौन से सिटी में हुआ था वो आपको पूछा जाएगा, तो Nursultan city. Okay, where the new type of pneumonia virus cited, and the country is Kazakhstan. Prominent news agency of Casino from Kazakhstan, from which cited the official data. Okay, on Friday, however, the Kazakhstan healthcare minister branded Chinese media reports baseless based on embassy statement that is a fake news. Kazakhstan health minister said that these are the fake news, not me and any media reporters are saying that. Okay, मैं और कोई दूसरा आदमी नहीं कह रहा है, एक कजाकिस्तान के मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं. ठीक है, इससे हमें डायरेक्टली पता चल रहा है कि चाइनीज आर जस्ट यूजिंग various kinds of disinformation tactics to divert the attention exactly before just investigation going to coming up. Okay, inside the China. Okay, here it is a news cutting. Okay, fake news. Kazakhstan after the China warns of pneumonia worse than COVID-19. Chinese embassy warns against the outbreak of pneumonia. Central Asian nations that describe as being more lethal than coronavirus. Okay, if the more lethal than the coronavirus is coming, means something is wrong going on inside China, or it might be a new biological weapon which might be unleashed by this Chinese labs. Okay, nobody knows what's going on there. Okay, this is very questionable things. Okay, हमें इसके बारे में संज्ञान लेना चाहिए. चाइना की पॉलिसी कैसी है, कितना कंट्रोल है बायोलॉजिकल वेपन के डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर और उसके यूज के ऊपर, ये प्रैक्टिकली हमें समझना होगा. ठीक है, for the gaining a more upper hand, what exactly the various nations are doing economically, and there is a trade war also going on in between the various nations. Okay, and this is creating a problematic situation for the whole world. Okay, so we have to take care about this, and we have to take a note about it as a political science students, as a general studies students. This is something this development is very much important, that how various nations, governments are using their various kinds of tactics to tackle their internal issues as well as to tackle the international politics. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, if you like it, then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, this initiative is started with the student themselves. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, your suggestions are very valuable for me. With this, we are coming with a new kind of episodes with you. We will be connectivity maintaining with all of you. Okay, always connected with you with this platform. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, keep growing, stay cool and be successful. तब तक आप घर पे रहिए और अपने आप को सेफ रखिए. कोरोना वायरस और बाकी सारे जो नेगेटिव चीज़ें आपके ऊपर जो अटैक कर रही है, उससे आप बचते रहिए, सदा पढ़ते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए. जय हिंद.